What's up, guys? Half-Ass Garage here. Today just going to be doing a quick little video swapping a set of door pins on a 88 to 98 GM OBS truck, Gmt400. I'll show you what's wrong with the ones that are in there and what I'm going to be replacing them with. So here's the truck I'll be working on today. 1993 or 2 Chevy OBS 350 small block TBI, all that good stuff. Anyways, so the door pins are really sloppy. It's just got the Dorman replacements. You can see they're not doing anything to hold up the door. And that inside bushing is actually cracked. He literally just replaced these maybe 2 months ago. So yeah, Dorman door pins, no good. These are the stainless steel Cunningham Machine door pins for the 88 to 98 Gmt400 OBS trucks. Really nice, high quality bronze bushings. And again, I'm just soaking these in some transmission ATF. That's an old trick I'd heard about, so I'm gonna try it out. See if we can impregnate the bronze. And see what these door pins are like before and after for alignment and closing. But I'm sure they're gonna be night and day difference. The quality seems there. Okay, just got the upper door pin removed. Pins themselves are actually not too bad. I guess some people keep the Dorman pins and just get the Cunningham bushings. Had to take the limiting spring out, but these are literally the Dorman bushings. I couldn't even get them out. That one kind of came out in one piece. The other one just crumpled. They're garbage. So I'll be pressing in the Cunningham Machine bronze bushings here shortly. And I took just an extra little step here, a little bit of tape just on the door jamb, just in case. I don't want to scratch anything on this truck. Okay, check it out. Got everything reinstalled. I got the spring reinstalled on the top door hinge. Old and busted, new hotness. When it comes to OBS Gmt400, I think there's only one choice for the door pins. Cunningham Machine door pins. Bar none, the best door pins money can buy. Like, just look at that. I haven't even adjusted the strike or anything on this, and it just night and day difference. And I have 100% trust that those bushings aren't going to crack and fail like the Dorman ones. So, thanks for watching. This is Half-Ass Garage. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe.